topic is our skeletal system and the skin. So, students, you know that our body is made up of different types of systems such as digestive system, circulatory system, nervous system, respiratory system, skeletal system. So, there are various systems present in our body, and all the systems are having a responsibility of doing different activities. So every system is having different function. For example, respiratory system is used for respiration. Okay, digestive system is used for digesting the food. Okay, similarly skeletal system is also important to our body. So let us see about the skeletal system. Now here in this picture you can see that three different pictures. In the first picture you can clearly see the digestive system. Okay, digestive system आप लोग clearly देख सकते हैं, and also you can see the lungs. Okay, that is connected to the respiratory system. Okay, और ये जो है यहाँ पे intestine, लीवर, किडनी, ये सब यहाँ पे होता है, और ऊपर जो दिख रहा है आपको those are lungs and the respiratory process. The upper part takes place for the respiratory system, and the lower part below the lungs, that is taken place for digestive system. And here you can see our body, which is made up of different bones, that is the skeletal system. And also you can see that our body is made up of different nerves, that is nervous system. So there are different organs in our body situated in different places. So your brain is situated in your skull, heart is situated near your lungs. Okay, then there is a rib cage which is protecting the heart and the all internal organs. Okay, जो भी internal organs है that which are very much important for us, they are protected with the help of rib cage so that they will not have any damage. For that purpose they are protected with the rib cage. Okay, then muscular skeletal system. In this, muscles and bones both are taking place, both are involved. Okay, for example, if your PT sir ask you to do some exercise, तो आप क्या करते हैं? You immediately do the exercise as he instructs you. So जैसे ही वो आपको कोई भी एक्सरसाइज करने को बताते हैं, that time you immediately follow his instruction. But why we are doing the exercise? To make our muscles strong, to make our bones strong, to make our bones and muscles strong. That is why we have to perform some exercise. Our body should get lot of energy. For that purpose, muscles and bones are playing most important role. If your bones are not strong, you may suffer from different diseases. Okay, so when you are running or performing any activity or doing exercise, that means your muscular skeletal system is taking part and is moving. That means it is composed of muscles and bones, that is it is nourishing your muscles and bones by doing the exercise. So PT सर आपको हमेशा बोलते हैं कि मसल्स और बोन्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाने के लिए what you have to do, you have to do perform some exercises. Nowadays gyms are also available, so many people go in the gyms and they build the muscles. तो बॉडी बिल्डर देखिए आपने in WWF, you must have seen the bodybuilders. They are developing their muscles so much strong so that they can have a fight. ओके, WWF में फाइट के लिए मसल्स डेवलप किए जाते हैं. देर इज ऑल्सो वन शो इन विच मसल्स आर सपोज टू शो. दैट इज ऑल्सो one of the competition. That is also one of the competition in which the muscles are very much important. But हमारे studies के लिए हमको इतना ही याद रखना है कि muscles and bones are very much important and they should be functioning properly by performing different various exercises. Okay. Now here is the skeletal system. Now you will say why our body is requiring the skeletal system, what is the use of the skeletal system. So the skeletal system is used for different purposes, for giving protection, shape, blood production, then calcium storage, support, movement. So all these functions are done with the help of skeletal. So now we will see one by one in detail how the function of the skeletal system is working. Now protection, as I told you, our brain is the most important part of our body, which controls all the parts of which controls all the organs. So our brain is protected with the help of skull, that is cranium. Okay, the cranium is protects the soft tissue of the brain. So हमारा brain जो skull है उसको bone को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, cranium. Okay, so ये हमारे brain को protect करता है. Then the second part is the rib cage is present near our chest, which protects the delicate organ, that is heart and lungs. So heart and lungs are the delicate organs which are प्रोटेक्टेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ रिब केज. तो स्केलेटन सिस्टम किसके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, हमारे बॉडी को सपोर्ट देने के लिए, शेप देने के लिए, एंड टू गिव प्रोटेक्शन ऑल्सो. द सेकेंड पॉइंट regarding the shape, the skeletal system is giving us shape. So without skeleton system the body would look have flabby or shapeless. अगर skeletal, imagine yourself without the skeletal system, so there would be no shape to your body would become shapeless and flabby or shabby it would have looked. Okay, तो इसके लिए skeleton system important है, because it is giving the shape to you. क्या देता है skeletal system हमको, it is useful for giving shape. Students, these points are very much important and you are supposed to know this. The function of the skeletal system, first point is protection, second point is shape, third point is blood production. As you all know that our body is made up of मल्टी सेलुलर सेल. हमारा बॉडी जो है मल्टी सेलुलर सेल से बना हुआ है. दैट मीन्स आवर बॉडी इज मेड अप ऑफ मेनी सेल्स. सो दीज सेल्स आर ऑफ red blood corpuscles or white blood corpuscles. Now RBCs are present in blood, जिसको बोलते हैं red blood cells. Okay, RBC का फुल फॉर्म क्या है, red blood cells, एंड WBC का फुल फॉर्म है वाइट ब्लड सेल्स. RBCs ब्लड में प्रेजेंट होते हैं, WBCs जो होते हैं दोज आर फाइटिंग अगेंस्ट द डिजीज. ओके, डिजीज से फाइट करने के लिए WBCs हमारे बॉडी में प्रेजेंट होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. देन RBCs आर मेड इन द रिब्स एंड द लिब्स ऑफ द बोन्स. तो हमारे ब्लड प्रोडक्शन के लिए RBCs और WBCs बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. दे आर यूजफुल फॉर ब्लड प्रोडक्शन. सो द स्केलेटल सिस्टम इज वेरी मच important. Then calcium storage, as you all know in the previous chapter, that is nutrients and diet, we have studied that our bones and teeth are requiring large amount of calcium and phosphorus. So they are calcium and phosphorus makes our bones stronger. So that is why the calcium storage is lot in the skeletal system. सो आवर बॉडी रिक्वायर्स कैल्शियम. इसलिए हमारे बॉडी को कैल्शियम ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि हमारा पूरा स्केलेटन सिस्टम जो है दैट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ कैल्शियम. सो कैल्शियम स्टोरेज इज़ रिक्वायर्ड अ लॉट. विद द हेल्प ऑफ कैल्शियम एंड फॉस्फोरस शुड बी एडेड इन आवर न्यूट्रिएंट. ओके, तो कैल्शियम क्या करता है, इट मेक्स आवर बोन्स एंड आवर टीथ स्ट्रॉन्गर. दैट इज़ द function of the skeletal system. Then fifth point, it gives support. Now support किसको देता है, हमारा जो vertebral column है उसको support देता है, and also gives support to our head. तो आपने देखा रहेगा कि our head is attached to the vertebral column. जो आपका पीठ का जो कॉलम है, आपने हाथ लगा के टच करके देखा तो there is a vertebral column. जैसे हमने चैप्टर नंबर 6 में देखा था, वर्टिबल कॉलम इज प्रेजेंट इन वर्टिब्रेट्स एंड इन वर्टिब्रेट इट इज एब्सेंट. तो वर्टिबल कॉलम हमारे बॉडी में प्रेजेंट है, दैट इफ यू टच योर बैक यू विल फील द वर्टिबल कॉलम, एंड दिस वर्टिबल कॉलम इज अटैच टू द हेड. हेड से ये अटैच होता है and it gives the support to the whole body. तो main function of the skeletal system क्या है? It gives the support to the whole body. तो skeletal system का function क्या है? वो shape देता है body को, protection देता है, blood production में helpful है, calcium storage में helpful है, as well as it is also giving support to the vertebral column as well as head. अगर head को support नहीं रहता तो it would be have different from our body. Our body is a single in one piece due to the help of the skeletal system and the vertebral column which is giving support to our head. जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं छोटा ब्रेन होता है, that is present near our neck. So that is the spinal cord. The small brain we are saying, we are talking about, that is about the spinal cord जो हमारे नेक के यहाँ पे होती है. और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड क्या करता है? हमारे नेक को और हमारे हेड को जॉइंट करता है. सो आवर हेड एंड नेक इज जॉइंट विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ बोन विच इज नोन एज स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. स्पाइनल कॉर्ड जो है हमारे नेक और हेड को जॉइंट करता है. Okay, so that is important, and that is also joined with the help of a bone which is known as spinal cord and which is attached to the vertebral column. Then next function of the skeletal system is movement. Now as the skeletal system is present in our body, we are very easily doing the different movements. हम लोग we are very much flexible to do different movements in our body. जैसे कि we can walk, we can run, we can lift the things from one place to another, or we can raise our hand or take our hand down. तो ये जो different movements है, for example physics, हमारा जो सब्जेक्ट है फिजिकल एजुकेशन पीटी, जिसमें you are doing all the exercise of all the body. So all the exercise are done with the help of the movement. अगर आपका movement ही नहीं होता है तो it is not use of anything. So all this movement is caused due to the help of the skeletal system. So skeletal system is important. So students, along with the other systems, skeletal system is also very much important because it is giving us protection, shape, support, blood production, calcium storage, as well as movement. So these are all the functions of the skeleton. In exam the question can be asked, what are the skeletal systems? So you can write the answer point wise and remember this point to answer the question. Okay, so this is about the function of the skeletal system. Now as you all know that when we are playing on the ground, many a times we fall down. Sometimes the images are sometimes the injuries are minor or sometimes the injuries are major. Okay, अगर major होगा तो क्या होता है? You get a fracture. Okay, fracture होता है. So when your bone is swelling or it is having some displacement, that time it is having a pain, and that pain is leading to fracture. Okay, so what is a fracture? Fracture is nothing but the broken part of the bone or the swelling of the bone or the displacement of the bone which has taken